ಗೊಜ್ಜ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಯಾರನ್ನ ಅಣ್ಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ವಿನೋದ್.
ವಿನೋದ್ನ ಎಷ್ಟು ರಾಖಿ ಕಟ್ತೀಯಾ? 4 ರಾಖೀಸ್ ಕಟ್ತೀಯಾ? ಬಂದಾಗ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಕಟ್ಬೇಕು. Have our finance head, the young, dynamic, energetic Madhu sir. Sir, I have a question for you.
Tomorrow salary will not come.
I have a question for you. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ನಾನೇ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿ ಬೇಗ ಆಫೀಸ್ನಂತ ಬಿಡೋನು. ಆದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂದು ಮನೆಗೇ ಬಂದು ಹೇಳ್ತವನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬೇಗ ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ. 8:30ಗೆ ಬಂದವನೇ ಶಿಷ್ಯ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಿರಾಕಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್, ಇಸ್ಂಟ್ ಇಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು. ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ರೂಟಿಂದ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುವ ಅಂದರೆ ನೆನ್ನೆಯಿಂದ ತಿರ್ಗಿಸ್ತವನೆ. ನಾವು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಹೋಗೋ ಬದಲ ಅರ್ಧ ಅವರ್ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ರೀಚ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡೋಣ. 20 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಅರ್ಧ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ನಾವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಯ್ತು ಹೇಳಿ ಮತ್ತೆ, ನೀನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ಸೋ ವಿನೋದ್.
ನಮ್ಮ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉರ್ಸ್ತಾವ್ರೋ ಆ ಭಗವತ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸರು ನಾಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಫೈನಲಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇನ್ನು 400 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಹೋಗಿದೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತೀರಾ?
ಯೂಲೂದಲ್ಲೇ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಮನೇಲಿ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಲ್ಸ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯೂಲೂಲ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
Guys, I have my colleague. His name is Sandeep. So, Sandeep, one question for you, bro. So, what's your opinion on work from home and hybrid mode?
So I am a strong believer of work from office. So I believe a lot of the growth happens when you work from office.
Are you single or married?
I am single.
So you know the reason why he prefer work from office?
No way.
I know.
In regards to the employee connects and also learning from the seniors.
Okay.
The scope of learning while you're working from remotely is still very limited.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Okay, fine. Let me check with others. What's their opinion on this? What's your opinion on work from home and hybrid mode? First thing, are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Okay, now answer please.
I prefer to come to office once in a while, maybe 3 days a week. Hybrid is fine.
ಅದೇ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಏನಿಗೆ? ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯರ್ ರೀಸನ್, ಮೇನ್ ರೀಸನ್?
ਇਹਨਾਂ ਤੇ ਚੂਤਨ ਡੇਲੀ ਮੀਟ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ਹੱਸਦੇ ਚਿਹਰਿਆਂ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਕਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਤਕਲੀਫ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ.
ಆಮೇಲೆ
ಇನ್ನು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು.
ಇದು ಈಗಲೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ವ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್?
ಇದೇನಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್
ಆಫೀಸ್ I don't have 2 rupees. Get lost, mean 2 minutes. Okay, fine, Macha. I got your answer. I have Gargi here. She is my another colleague. So Gargi, I have a question. This is a vlog, so I hope you have seen it because it's in Kannada. You are not.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Okay, I have a question for you. What do you prefer, and what's your opinion? Work from home or hybrid mode?
Hybrid.
And before answering that, are you married or single?
Single.
Okay. Now answer.
Okay. क्या? No comments on that.
No, why work from home? Yeah, hybrid.
Hybrid.
Why?
Actually, sometimes we have to come office. It's good. We can interact with people and all. We can have fun.
And you can interact with people like me.
Yes.
Thank you for your answer. हाँ बस इतना ही है, और ज़्यादा ओपिनियन नहीं तो बड़ा लेंथी हो जाएगा.
लेंदी नहीं, तेरी बीवी मरेगी तू.
Mr. Ashik with me. Ashik, hello. Welcome to my channel vlog, YouTube vlog बना रहा हूँ. Okay. So I have a question for you and what's your opinion? उससे पहले are you single or married?
I'm single.
Single. Okay, very good. What do you prefer, work from home or hybrid mode?
Work from home.
Work from home. Why, bro?
ಯಾವ ಇವೆಲ್ಲ?
Good, no? It's convenient. You don't want to interact with people? No. Colleague, nahi? Huh? Want to play Ludo? Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you for your answer. Finally, I got one of the HR. So, Miss HR, I have a question for you. And I want your opinion on that. And before that, you're single or married? Okay. What do you prefer? What's your opinion on work from home and hybrid mode, and what do you prefer?
I think everyone should come to office
Why?
because I'm an HR.
मस्त जोक मारा रे या हंस रे हलकट हंस
Stick with my roots.
Okay, now pretend you're not an HR.
I still think you should all come to office. Isn't office fun? I mean, you're vlogging in front of everybody. This finance head sitting right in front of you. Shamelessly, you're vlogging in front of
What's
him.
wrong in that?
You see, there are like things coming.
And he said that he's busy in workshop and he wants to be part of it. Idiot.
So,
Okay, fine.
aren't you having fun?
Yes, I am. Definitely. Thank you.
I have our finance head, the young, dynamic, energetic Madhu sir. Sir, I have a question for you.
Tomorrow salary will not come.
Anusha here. Anusha, I have a question and I need your opinion, okay? First thing, are you single or married? Tell. Okay, you are committed, fine.
No.
Okay, so listen, what's your opinion on work from home and work from office or hybrid mode?
Both are good. Office is fun
Why?
because of you.
Make it fun.
Okay. So you prefer work from
Office,
office?
but also at times home because I have to travel to my home and
Okay.
work there. So that is also good.
Good, fine.
I have my HR manager here. His name is Mr. Vivek. So Vivek, I have a question for you.
Yes,
First
please.
thing, are you single or married?
Married?
Okay, what's your opinion on work from home and hybrid mode?
Yes. As far as we follow roster with some
शाबाश बेटा बहुत बढ़िया
I don't want your roster, your opinion.
Okay, my opinion. It is good to have. Sometimes it's required for everyone.
To add it, so that we'll meet our expectation, everyone's expectation, employees' expectation as well as organization
That's
expectation.
why he's HR manager.
Yes. Thank you.
Finally, I have Murli with me. Murli? Okay, so Murli, just a question. First thing, are you married or single? Married.
ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಗಂಡ್ ಮಗುನ ಹೆಣ್ಮಗು ಅಬ್ಬಬ್ಬಬ್ಬ ಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿ
And what's your opinion on work from home and hybrid mode?
Hybrid will give us more productivity.
Okay. So you prefer hybrid then? Good. So that's it, guys. Today's vlog. Signing off with the talented Murli.
Yeah.
You'll see him in future a lot. Why? We'll let you know soon. Right?